students. Yesterday we have discussed about format of profit and loss account and P&L appropriation account. After then we have to prepare capital account in chapter fundamental or accounting for partnership firms. Capital account are of two types. The very first is when capital are fixed and the second one when capitals are fluctuating. In case of fixed capital, we have to prepare two accounts, capital account and current account. But in case of fluctuating capital, we have to prepare only capital account. So all of us we will discuss format of capital account. After then I will tell you about current account. So capital account when capitals are fluctuating. Capital account, how this account will be prepared? It's quite easy. In previous lecture we have discussed the format of profit and loss account and P&L appropriation account. You just have to understand the cross rule here. Cross rule here means all the items of profit and loss appropriation account will comes by crossing the rule. Means debit side of item will go to credit side in capital account and credit side of P&L appropriation will transfer to debit side of capital account. For example, in P&L we have profit. After then we have interest on drawings. Here we have interest on capital, salary, commission to partner. So all these items which decrease the profit of the business will increase the capital of the partners. Why? Because all these things are received by the partner. So definitely their capital is going to increase. So we have to make a cross rule here. So interest on capital, salary, commission all will transfer here and interest on drawing will transfer on this side. I hope it is clear. So now what is the format of capital account? The very first is balance brought down, which is given in question, opening capitals. After then if additional capital is there, then by cash and bank. If additional capital bought in the form of cash, then cash will be there, and if in the form of bank, then bank will be there. After that we have interest on capital, then partner's salary, partner commission and P&L appropriation account. Don't transfer here reserves and provisions because they are not distributed among partners. Next we have two cash and bank account. If capital is withdrawn by the partner, and when we discuss interest on capital, then we have a point that partner withdrew their capital. So if partner withdrew their capital, then two cash or bank account. Drawing is a separate thing from capital withdrawn. So if drawing is there, then drawing, then interest on drawing. Keep it in mind that drawing is not transferred in P&L appropriation. It is only transferring capital account. Then in case of loss of P&L appropriation, the most important thing is interest on loan. If the partnership firm gives loan to any partner, keep it in mind, if partnership firm gives loan to any partner, then company will receive interest, then business will receive interest from that partner. So with the interest, the capital of that partner is going to decrease. If capital of partner is increasing, then on credit side. If capital of partner is decreasing, then we will post it on debit side. So if you are charging interest from a partner, that means his capital is decreasing. So that's why interest on loan is there. Keep it in mind, interest on loan taken by a partner from the firm. It's not interest on loan given by a partner to the firm. After that we have to balance carried down. We can more understand this question. One more thing is here. When capitals are fixed, then we have to prepare two accounts, capital account and current account. We just bifurcate this account. That means balance BD and additional capital will transfer to capital account in case of fixed capital. In case of fixed capital, then only these two items will be transferred in capital account, plus one item of this side means capital withdrawn is transferred in capital account, and all remaining items will be transferred into current account, because in case of fixed capital, capital should be fixed. So all the adjustment will be transferred into current account, means interest on capital, salary, commission, profit share, all these will be transferred into current account. Similarly, drawings, interest on drawing, P&L appropriation, interest on loan, all these will be transferred into current account. Thank you.